Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is genotype, the alleles you carry for a particular gene. By the end of this video, you'll know how to write a genotype, what homozygous and heterozygous mean, and how genotype differs from phenotype. Genotype is the combination of alleles an individual has for a particular gene. 2 letters, one from each parent. Capital letter for the dominant allele, lowercase for the recessive. Homozygous means same alleles, like capital B or lowercase b. Heterozygous means different alleles, like capital B, lowercase b. The genotype is the genetic recipe. 3 things. 1. Genotype is written as 2 letters, one for each allele. 2. Homozygous means you have 2 identical copies, i.e. capital B or lowercase b. Heterozygous means you have one of each, i.e. capital B, lowercase b. And 3, genotype determines phenotype, but 2 different genotypes, for example, capital B and capital B, lowercase b, can give the same phenotype. Common slip. Genotype is the alleles. Phenotype is what's shown. Don't write brown eyes as a genotype. Write capital B, lowercase b, or capital B. And don't write a single letter. Genotype always involves a pair of alleles, one from each parent. Quick example, eye color, capital B, homozygous dominant, brown eyes. Capital B, lowercase b, heterozygous, brown eyes. The dominant capital B masks the recessive lowercase b. And lowercase b, homozygous recessive, blue eyes. So 3 possible genotypes, only 2 phenotypes. The genotype tells you more than the phenotype reveals. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.